Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening
evening,
to all.
sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir,
Nagabhushan.
sir, you said that you'll give some important note which you forgot to give.
Which one?
Sir, you said some important note.
Okay, okay, okay. Note: if g square plus f square minus c square is greater than 0, g square plus f square minus c, sorry, minus c is greater than 0, then
So we are still in circles part, right?
yes. This one note I forgot before. G square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, then s is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 represents a.
Sir, what is yes here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Represents a real circle where s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, or can be written as s. S is equal to. Okay.
Sir, it is the equation, no, sir.
Yes, equation.
The 2yx plus what?
2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus
Sir,
2f.
we have already written that.
Bargo?
Sir, we have already written that, no, sir?
Written already?
No, sir. No. The equation which you wrote for S.
Okay. This is first one, second one, right? If g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, then s is equal to 0 represents a point circle. If g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, then s is equal to 0 represents a imaginary circle.
Sir, what do you mean by an imaginary circle?
Less than 0.
No, like, can it be plotted on a
No
plane?
circle.
Or basically no circle. And then what's real circle, sir? What do you
Real
mean
circle
by a
means
real circle?
real circle means yesterday one problem I will give. I think which problem? Determine whether the following equations represent a circle, a point circle, a no circle. Himanshu.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, the imaginary circle will be present on imaginary plane.
imaginary plane. In briefly, in JE level, I will explain. Okay, problems. Find the equation of the circle.
So all these are from R.D. Sharma, right?
R.D. Sharma only.
Okay.
Find the in R.D. Sharma only diameter of the circle and standard equation of the circle. Only two concepts and one more concept is cases is given.
Excuse me, sir.
Different types of cases, circles.
Excuse me, sir.
Risha,
Sir, like after you teach a topic, could you explain us like two sums and then can you give us sums so that we can do it ourselves?
which concept?
Sir, like after teaching a concept, can you like do one or two sums and then give us questions so that
Okay, after
we'll
that,
understand?
after completion of this class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Find the equation of the circle. All mixed problems. Today is
So what
circles completed.
she's saying is,
Hmm.
sir, you just now taught one concept, right, about this real circle, imaginary circle. So now you're giving questions based on that.
No,
So
no, this is all mixed problems. Already circles, concepts, problems completed.
Okay.
Completed. This is and all mixed problems. Today is circles completed and Monday I will start parabola.
Sir, in our school, they would either be starting sequence and series or permutations and combinations.
Sequence and series and
Or permutations and combinations, either
Okay.
of these two chapters.
okay. In school.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. All are same school? Which
No,
school?
sir.
KVA?
No, sir. Different schools.
Okay, different schools. Okay.
So this is a National Center for Excellence.
Okay. NCFE.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here only, no? Kagdaspura.
Yes, sir.
Find the equation of the circle having center at 3 comma minus 4 and touching the line and touching the line 5x plus 12y minus 12 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the circle having center at 3 comma minus 4 and touching the line 5x plus 12y minus 12 is equal to 0. Length of the perpendicular from center and line.
The radius would be 33 by 13, right?
30,
3 by 13.
33 by 31 radius.
13.
13, 33 by 13.
Yes, sir.
Wrong.
So can you tell once how do we get the radius?
CP is equal to perpendicular.
Sir,
From the-
perpendicular distance from a line, no, sir.
Yes, yes. CP is equal to radius R. R is equal to CP. Length of the perpendicular from center and the line. AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon.
So 45 by 13, right?
Yes, correct. Radius is equal to 45 by 13. Radius is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon A square plus B square. The required equation of the circle. x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 45 by 13 whole square.
Also, could you please write the answer once? I got something.
Answer?
I got it as x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y
Minus
plus
6x
plus
minus
8y
8 plus 8y
plus 280 by 13.
9 plus 16 25 25 25 minus squaring
I got it as minus 2025 by 169.
20
25 by
Yes, sir.
169.
Yes, sir.
The
answer is
last.
given this one, x minus 3 whole square y plus
That's
4.
also, we don't need to like open the bracket or anything.
Not open. This is the final answer.
We can leave it like
It
that.
gets
Open. Yes, enough.
Okay.
But it gets really complicated once you open the bracket. The calculations. Sir.
Calculation is lengthy.
So we don't need to calculate after opening the bracket, right?
No problem. Find the equation of the circle. Second. Find the equation of the circle which touches both the axes and the line and the line 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 and lies in the third quadrant and lies in the third quadrant.
Sir, radius is 2, right?
Center C minus a comma minus a.
Sir, radius is 2.
Radius is yes 2. Radius
Yes.
is 2.
Sir, we can draw that line with the equation 3x minus 4y plus 8 like anywhere, right?
3x
Like
minus
anywhere on the edge of the circle, which it should just
touch.
touch.
Yes, correct. This is third quadrant is given. Suppose second quadrant is given. Suppose second quadrant is minus a comma a. In first quadrant center a comma a. Fourth quadrant center a comma minus a. This is the required equation.
I didn't get it. Like, how do we find the radius?
Radius
Yes, sir.
CP is equal to R. CP is equal to A.
No, sir, but then we need to find
Distance
the numeric.
find AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon under
But
root
yeah,
A
but
square plus B
after
square.
doing that, we will get A is
Center you
equal
will
to.
take minus A comma A.
Yes, sir. So it would be minus 3A plus 4A plus 8 divided by A root 2, which is equal to A.
A is equal to 2. I think A is equal to 2. Minus 3A plus 4A minus 8 plus 8, sorry, plus 8 under root
A root 2.
under root A
Under
root 2
Yeah, it should
under
be
root
A
3 square plus 3 square plus 4 square.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Himanshu.
Got it, sir. Now.
Got
Thank
it.
you, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. All of you completed?
No, sir, just a minute.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, but how do you know that center is A?
Huh?
I mean, the radius is A.
Radius. Let radius is equal to A take.
But then again, you have written center is equal to minus A minus A.
Center.
The center also.
This is third
A
quadrant,
only.
no? In first quadrant is
Yeah.
A comma A. Second quadrant minus A comma plus A. Third quadrant
That I
minus A
understood,
comma
sir.
A. Huh?
I understood that why
Hmm.
you took minus A minus A.
Hmm.
But both radius and center will have same variable.
Both center and
Radius have same variable A, right?
same variable. This is minus A, this is plus A. Center minus A comma minus A. Ananya?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Center minus A comma minus A. Then CP distance. CP is equal to A. Distance formula AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon under root A square plus B square is equal to A. Then we will get radius. A is equal to 2 or R is equal to 2.
Sir, could you just do it once? I'm getting the radius is 4. I don't know where
Radius
did I
is
go
4.
wrong. Yeah, I really don't know where
AX1
did
plus
I go.
BY1 plus C na minus 3A plus 4A plus 8
It will
upon
be minus 3A minus 4A plus
minus 3A plus 4A plus 8 upon under root 3 square plus 4 square is equal to A.
Oh, okay, it's plus
And
4.
what is A value,
yes,
sir?
A is equal to 2.
Oh. 2.
Ananya,
I am getting
A plus 8 upon 5 now.
2 by
3
3.
square 9 9
I am
plus
getting
16
2 by
25
3.
25 5. A plus 8 upon 5 is equal to A. A plus 8 is equal to 5A. A plus 8 is equal to 5A. Then
yes, sir, I got it.
4A, right? 4A is equal to 8. A is equal to 2. Understood, Ananya?
Oh yeah, we have to take minus 4. I didn't take minus 4 in numerator.
Sir, I had a doubt from straight lines and R.D. Sharma.
Straight lines?
Of R.D. Sharma, like
R.D.
from the
Sharma.
exercise.
Exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Last 5 minutes ask, huh?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So A is equal to 2, no?
A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2.
2.
So then we have to use x minus x1 and find the equation, right?
X minus.
X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole
Then
square.
find required equation.
Yeah.
This one. Required equation. The equation of the circle. Required equation x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the final equation. X plus 2 whole square y plus 2 whole square is equal to 2 square.
So I got the answer, but I have a doubt that we took radius as plus a, right? And we took center as minus a comma minus a. So both the variables are a only, no, eventually. So how can we take same variable?
This one,
Yeah.
Radius is not given, no?
But I guess her doubt is why are the both variables same? Like why is it a and a?
Radius is a is equal to 2. Then center also same minus 2 comma 2.
It is
So
because
that I
they are
understood.
equidistant from the axis. It's equidistant
Huh?
from the axis.
Both the axis equation.
Oh yeah, I
X
didn't
plus a
realize
whole
that.
square
Yeah, got it.
plus y plus a whole square is equal
So
to
I
a.
got it.
Ah,
Yeah, got it. No, that wasn't my doubt. I was asking that why are the variable of radius and center a. I got it now.
okay. Find the equation of the circle.
So could you write little bigger? It becomes easier to understand.
Find the equation of the circle whose center is at 3 comma minus 1 and which okay, this one enough. Ananya?
That's too big, sir.
Cuts.
So you can decrease it a bit, like little bit.
Okay. Cut off a chord of length. Six units. And the line, on the line. Two x minus 5y plus 18.
Sir?
Hmm.
Sir, so first we find the CL equation. Then we'll find, no, sir, sorry. Sir, we'll find the point L, and after that, we should find PL, CL, and then we can find the radius, no, sir?
PL is equal to QL is equal to 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, C
Sir,
is
how, sir?
equal to
So that's a theorem, right?
6
For
by 2.
particular
6 by
bisector.
6 by 2.
So he's asking how is PL equal to QL?
Okay,
Sir, no,
Sir.
sir, I'm asking how is it 3?
3, yeah. See, 6 units is given. Length of chord.
Okay, sir, sorry, sir, I didn't see that. I didn't see that.
See, Nagbhushan.
Sir, is the answer x square plus y square
X square
plus
y square
plus 2y
plus 2y
minus 6x
minus 6x
minus 28
minus 28
equal to 0.
0.
So is it correct or wrong, sir?
Absolutely correct. Himanshu.
Finally, one correct answer. So LC is root 29.
Yes, correct. Radius is equal to root 29.
No, sir, not radius. LC, the perpendicular.
LC. Okay. CL. CL is equal to root 29.
Sir, could you explain this one?
This one?
Yes, sir.
PQ is the chord of length, correct?
Yes, sir.
On the line 2x minus 5y plus 18 is equal to 0. Then CL, perpendicular distance, CL is equal to length of the perpendicular from center 3 comma minus 1 and line 2x minus 5y plus 18. CL is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Substituting here point and line. 2 into 3 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 18 upon under root 2 square plus 5 square. CL is equal to
Sir, what's the equation?
2x minus 5y plus equation, final equation, x square
Yes, sir.
plus y square minus 6x plus 2y minus 28 is equal to 0.
So how is CL equal to root 29? I got root 20, root 10.
Root 2 into 3 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 18 under root 2 square plus 5 square, which is 6 plus 5.
Oh, okay. I did 3 square.
6 plus
plus
Ananya,
I did 3 square plus 1 square. That's why I got root.
Or is it 29 by root 25?
29 by
Root, wait, no, root, 1 minute, sir.
29 by root 29.
Yeah, it's 29 by root 29, sorry.
29 by root 29. 29 by root 29.
Root 29.
Yes, sir.
X by root x is equal to
Root x.
Sir, if they don't give the length of PQ, then what we can do is we can find the
direct
equation
method.
of
Direct
CL.
method.
Sir, how to do direct method, sir?
PQ is not given.
Yes, sir. PQ is not given. Then it's a chord, sir. Then how to do?
Then not possible.
No, sir. It is possible, I think. Sir, we can find the CL equation. No, sir. It's a perpendicular line. And
perpendicular line. Okay, center is given.
Yes, sir. And that point.
Point is given, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, that point will satisfy the locus of the line CL, no, sir.
Then this point is
so we can find the equation of CL. That time, after we find the equation of CL, we can find the point L, and we can find the
point L x comma y take.
Yes, sir. That time we can find x comma y, and then we can solve.
But even if after we find point L, how do we solve it further?
Only L.
No, sir. Like as Nagabhushan told that we'll find point L.
Point L x comma y.
Yes, sir. We found the intersection, that's x comma y. But then how do we proceed further?
Distance find. CP distance. CL distance.
Yes, sir, we'll find CL distance, but what do we do with the LP distance? How do we find LP distance?
LP,
Yes, sir, because
that is not possible. Not possible. Himanshu.
Sir, I'll try and I'll find out. If I find a way, then we'll discuss.
So what is the final answer?
See.
So I am not getting that. So it should be minus 19, I guess, because that's what I got.
Minus
In
minus
equation,
19.
yeah, I got that.
Minus 19.
So it's I guess it's correct only.
Wait. X square minus 3 whole square y plus 1 whole square is equal to root 29 whole square. X square y square 9 plus 9 plus 1 10.
So it would be root 38, no, sir. So 38 as.
Yes, so it'll be root 38.
Wait.
But we can leave it as 38 only because anyways the equation is r square.
Yes, sir.
38. Not 28, 38.
No, sir, in the equation you will get 10 also, like 10 is equal to 38, so it will become 28.
So 38 is
10 minus, correct. Only.
Yes, sir.
10 minus 20, 28, 38.
No, sir, it will be
Correct
10
only,
minus
28.
38.
28.
like 38 is the r square.
Yes, correct.
So I didn't get it. Where did 38 come from?
Who is that? Ananya?
Yes, sir.
38. Minus 28.
38 from Pythagoras theorem. You can
By
use.
using Pythagoras theorem.
You can find
Is equal to
CP.
CL square plus PL square.
Oh yeah.
Okay, note down. Next problem. If the equation of the two diameters of a circle are x plus y is equal to 6 and x plus 2y is equal to 4 and the radius of the circle Radius of the circle is 10. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle.
So x is 8, y is -2.
X is equal to
8
8. Y is equal to
-2.
yes, correct.
So this is the answer: x square plus y square minus 16x plus 4y minus 32 equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
X square plus y square minus 16x
Plus 4y
plus 4y
minus 32.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Completed. Okay, next problem. Find the equation of the circle. Whose center is at the point 4, 5 and which passes through the center of the circle. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0.
So center of the given, I mean the other circle whose equation has been given would be 3 comma minus 2.
3 comma minus 2. Other circle.
From that we find the radius and we find
One circle already is given. C4 comma 5. Another circle. This center is C1 take. 3 comma Himanshu?
3 comma minus 2.
Okay.
So how do we find that, like exactly? So how
C1.
did you get the center of the other circle?
Yes.
So how did you get it?
Equation is given, no? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Center minus g comma minus f. 3 comma minus 2. 2gx x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Center is minus g comma minus f.
Okay.
3 comma minus 2. Then equation radius fine. Distance C1 RC1 C2.
So this is the equation x square
Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. C1 C2 find. Radius is equal to root 50, right?
Yes, sir. Root 50. So this is the equation x square minus 8x plus y
X square plus y square
minus 8x minus 10y minus 9
minus 9
equal to 0.
Yes, correct. Required equation.
So can you explain again?
Which one? This one. Huh?
Yeah. How
One
did you
center
get this?
already is given, one circle, 4, 5. One more circle center we have to find. Already circle equation is given. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. And center is minus g comma minus f. Minus g 3. Minus f 2. Minus 2, sorry, minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. This center is 3 comma minus 2. Distance
How do you know
C1, C2. How? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Ananya?
Yeah, got it.
Ananya?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Completed? Find the equation of the circle. Which touches the line which touches the lines 4x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y minus 30 is equal to 0 and whose center lies on the center lies on the line 2x plus y is equal to 0. Find the equation of the circle which touches the lines 4x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y minus 30 is equal to 0 and whose center lies on the line 2x plus y is equal to 0.
Sir, these are parallel lines, no, sir? Sir, the distance between them is 40 units.
Two lines are intersecting point. Find these 2 points. Center C.
Sir, can't we just... Okay.
Ananya?
No, sir.
Risha?
No, sir, nothing.
These 2 lines intersecting point. Suppose this point is A and this point is B. Himanshu, A point.
I was trying out it with some other method.
Oh, okay.
Sir?
Sir,
sir, the distance between two parallel lines is 40 units, right?
40 units.
Yes, sir. Like,
yes,
sir. So 40 units. So radius is 20 units, no, sir. So point C is a perpendicular distance, no, sir.
Perpendicular distance.
Yes, sir. So
P1 minus C2 upon.
Yes, sir. So we can use point C as x comma y. So x comma y. So we can say that from any one of the equation we can substitute distance formula, and we can find the distance from line 4x minus 3y plus 10. So we will get an equation, sir. So from this equation we can find the solution from 2x plus y and the equation found, and we can find center point. We know radius, so we can find the equation of line.
Sorry, yes, circle. Circle. Center find, no? Center?
So it's -1, 2.
-1, 2, right?
Yes, sir. And B is 3, minus 6.
This point?
-1, 2.
-1, 2. And this point?
3, minus 6.
3, minus 6.
Now center would be the midpoint of AB.
Yes. Midpoint of AB.
So how do you know it's midpoint?
Midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2.
No, sir, but how do you know C lies in the center of A and B?
Center C, A and B midpoint, no? Center C. Center 1, minus 2.
So Risha is asking that how do you know that C is the midpoint of AB?
Yes, sir, exactly. Like, is there any proof or something for that?
We can prove it with congruency, sir. PC is equal to CQ, and then angle PCA is equal to angle BCQ. And angle APC is equal to angle CQB.
Okay, thank you so much.
CQB. Correct.
So obvious, because anyway, AB is touching the circle. I mean, I have taken it that way.
Okay.
So, like, if you've taken P and Q touching the sides of the circle, right?
Side of the circle.
Tangential to the circle. I have directly taken it like straight and drawn the horizontal line passing through the circle.
Okay.
So is that okay?
Yeah, okay, no problem. Anyway, center is equal to 1, minus 2, right?
Yeah, I got that only.
Done, sir.
Equation
X square minus 2x plus y square plus 4y minus 395 is equal to 0.
395.
Yes, sir.
X square plus y square
Minus 2x
minus 2x
plus 4y
plus 4y
minus 395
plus 395
minus, sir. Not plus.
minus
Yes, sir.
is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Radius is equal to
20.
20. Yeah. Correct? Check it.
Sir, aren't the lines are parallel, so
Parallel lines. D is equal to C1 minus C2 upon A square plus B square
oh, okay. Yes.
is equal to radius is equal to half into PQ. D is equal to 8, no?
Yes, sir. So it should be minus 59.
And radius is equal to half into PQ is equal to 4, no? 4. R is equal to.
So how much is radius?
Radius is equal to 4.
But I got root 20.
Root 20.
Yeah.
How root 20? Parallel lines C1 minus C2 upon under root A square plus B square. D is equal to.
So the final equation I got right now is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0.
Yes, correct.
So wait, how do you get a radius 4?
Distance find first.
So what I did is that we got
10 minus of minus 30, 40, right? 40 upon 4 square plus 3 square. (16 plus 9, 25, 5). 8. D is equal to 8. And radius half into PQ.
Sir, I got that as minus 11 and not minus 12. Like the equation, in the equation. Yeah, I got that as minus 11.
Minus 11.
So could you just check once?
Wait. X minus x square plus 2y 2x plus 1 plus 4 5 plus 9 4 square 16.
It will come like 1 plus 4, so it will be 5, 16. Right?
Minus 11, correct.
Yes, sir. So minus 11.
Himanshu, minus 11.
Sir, how? Where did I go wrong?
16 minus 5.
You will get 1 plus
16 minus 5.
So on the LHS, it will be like 5 is equal to 16.
Here,
like
4 square 16. Here, 5. 5 minus 16, minus 11. Correct, Ananya.
It's Risha, not me.
Yes, sir, it's Risha.
Risha, okay, Risha, okay.
It should be 4 minus 16 only, right? I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Where did I go wrong?
See, x minus 1, x minus 1 whole square, right? Plus
Yes, sir.
y plus 2 whole square. Here plus 1, here plus 4.
Oh, okay, yes, sir. Plus
5.
4 and plus 1,
5 is equal to 16.
Yes, sir.
16
Yes.
minus 5
Yes.
minus 16 is equal to minus 11.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So what was the answer? X squared plus y squared minus 2x.
Ananya,
Yeah, what was the final answer?
final answer x square plus y square
Okay.
plus 2x
It's minus 2.
minus 2x minus 2x plus 4y
Yeah. Plus
minus 11 is equal to 0. A circle, a circle of radius of radius 2 lies in the first quadrant, lies in the first quadrant and touches both the axis and touches both the axis. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with the center center at 6 comma 5, center at 6 comma 5 and touching the above circle externally and touching the above circle externally.
So that's externally.
Huh?
That's externally.
Externally.
Okay.
So does that mean it touch the circumference of the circle?
This point is P. Touches both the axis 2 comma 2 and radius is 2. Find the equation of the circle with center at 6 comma 5 on touching the above the circle externally. Okay.
Sir, is the answer? There is the equation x square plus y square.
Equation x square
plus y square minus 12x
minus 12x
minus 10y
minus 10y
plus 52
plus 52 is equal to 0.
Is it correct?
Yes, correct. Himanshu, correct. Correct, Himanshu. The touching the given circle externally, C1, C2 is equal to C1P plus C2P. C1, C2 distance
Sir,
find
could
under
you do
root.
this fun, sir? Can you do this
Risha?
sum? Sir, could you do this sum?
See, C1,
Sir.
C2.
Do we
Ananya.
find do we find R from using section formula?
Section?
Can we find R using section formula? The point where the circles are touching, right?
P divides.
Oh, that's P or R?
This is P.
Okay,
Or P, any variable, any variable.
that we can find by section formula also,
C1,
right?
C2, distance C1, C2 is equal to C1P plus C2P. Already C1P you know, C1, C2 you know, C2P find enough.
What is C1?
C1, C2 distance under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to C1P already you know, 2 plus C2P. Now substituting here x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. 6 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square. 6 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 plus C2P.
So what I'm asking is it correct we find it with section formula?
Correct only.
But we don't know the ratios.
But ratio is not there, no?
We can take it 2 is to K, no?
2 is to K. Okay.
C1P is 2.
Okay. Himanshu, which straight line, which exercise?
Yes, sir, just a minute, sir. So 23.8. No, sir. Sorry, sir. Not 23.8.
1 minute, hold on. Just 1 minute. Hello, Himanshu.
23.10.
23.10.
10. Yes, sir.
Sir, could you move a bit so that I can see the answer?
Answer?
Yes, sir.
Which one? This one answer?
Yes, sir. The equation.
See here. X square plus y square minus 12x minus 10y plus 52 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I tried by section formula. It won't come because we don't know any coordinate of R, right? So it
Then
won't
this process second.
doing that.
Exercise
23.10.
10. Which problem?
So third main, second question.
Third main.
Second question. Y is equal to 0, 1.
Area of triangle.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I found the intersection, but after doing that, I'm getting the area as -1 as 1 by 4.
Okay.
But the answer given is 0.
Answer is given 0, na?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, wait. What is the area of triangle?
Half
Y
into
is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 and x plus 2 is x plus 2y is equal to 3, right? X is equal x and y values find first.
Yes, sir, I did that.
X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0, right?
So 1 point would be 2, 0.
And AB, now AB and BC intersecting
Yes,
B
we
point.
will get it as 2, 1 by 2, and the third point is 3, 0.
3, 0, right? Correct. B point
2, 1 by 2.
2, 1 by 2, 2, 0.
Sir, how, sir? X is equal to 2 and
X is equal to 2, y is equal to 0.
No, sir, not that one. X is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. That one.
X plus 2y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2. See, already is given y is equal to 0 and x is equal to, that is B point.
So could you please write the 3 points on the board once?
See, we are solving first equation 1 and 2. Y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2.
Yes, so we'll get it as 2, 0.
2, 0. Okay.
Yes,
intersecting point B. That point only 2, 0 B point. AB
okay.
and BC. Himanshu. And another point AB and CA. 3, 0.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, can the others leave?
Others leave. Others leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Himanshu?
Yes, sir. Then the second point is 3,
3, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And similarly, BC and CA.
Yes, sir. That will get it as 2, 1 by 2.
2, 1 by 2 or 2, 12?
So 2, 1 by 2, right?
2, 1 by 2.
So x is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3.
X is equal to 2. 2 plus 2y. 2 minus 2. 1 by 2. Correct. 1 by 2. 2 comma 1 by 2. One more point. Then area of triangle find.
Yes, sir. After doing that, I'm getting it as 1 by 4.
2 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 1 and 3 comma 0, 1 and
Yes,
2 comma 1 by 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to?
I'm getting it as 1 by 4.
Yes, 1 by 4. Correct answer.
But answer key says 0.
0 na?
Yes, sir.
Wait. 0 na? 3? That is wrong. 1 by 4 only is correct.
Okay, sir.
1 by 4. That is mistake. 1 by 4. 2 comma 0, 1. 3 comma 0, 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And 2 comma 1 by 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
Half into half determinant. Determinant find. Then area is equal to 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Correct one. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Himanshu. Bye.
Bye, sir.